Shalom, shalom, family. Welcome to the channel. Hope all is well with you. Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, good evening to wherever you are in the world. All praises to the Most High, always. Hope all is well with you. But if you tuned into this video, right, it's a good thing you did. It's a good thing that you did, because I'm gonna kind of give you some clues of what is happening and what could happen. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but I am an investor. I am, a husband. I am a father, and I am your brother. So I wanted to come on here and share this information with you guys to let you guys know how serious this could be, how pivotal this could be. Like, really, like I'm hoping you really listen to this, because this is very, very important. Like, you really need to hear what could happen. I'm not saying because I'm saying what could happen, because it could go this way, it could go that way. You never know. But from the information that I'm gonna share in this video, it just makes sense of what's going on right now and what could happen, right? So I'm saying that because I just don't want to be like, oh, I'm just not a financial advisor, right? So I'm gonna be talking about some crypto. So I know last month, when the U.S. President Donald Trump came into office, he signed a bill with cryptocurrency. He wants the U.S. He wants America to be the crypto capital of the world, right? So with that came with which cryptos are tax-free, which cryptocurrencies is tax-free, which coins, which tokens, which digital assets is tax-free, right? So I'm gonna show you this right here. So check this out right here. These are the cryptos that is tax-free here. Bitcoin, pretty much, if you really know what I'm talking about, pretty much ISO 222 coins, right? And these coins is basically a payment system, right? So if you ever heard of Swift, it's pretty much will replace Swift system. And as you guys know, we're here in Mauritius, and what we have to do, we have to go through the Swift banking system, and it takes at least a day and a half, maybe 2 days, 3 days, depending on holidays and stuff like that. So with this new system, ISO 222, this could be instant. And the fees is very little. With Swift, the fees is at least $20 to $50, depending on how much money you send all at once, right? So I'm sharing this with you guys because at least, I just say, at least try to get into it and buy one of these coins, two of these coins, and it's very cheap. I'm not saying go ahead and buy one Bitcoin, because that's, if you got 80,000, I wouldn't suggest to buy one Bitcoin. I would suggest to divvy it up into certain smaller coins. So with that being said, I'm gonna hop on these charts real quick. Right here, I am here on the Bitcoin chart. This is Bitcoin, and currently right now we are at 80,500 pretty much, right? As you see this big old red candle, that means that it's going down. It's been pushing down for the last week. I'm on a weekly time frame. So I'm just trying to show you guys what this is looking like right now. When you're talking about supply and demand, when you're talking about support and resistance, this is a place right here where it's really no support in a way. When you go in the smaller time frames, of course it is some support, but the the main support that I see that could happen is this last resistance here, right? And this is this box here that I just put here. So this is the last resistance. So for me, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin dropped down to 70,000, 75,000, right? Because that's just what I see. Of course, we see, if we go to the daily chart here, of course we see some type of support level. And when I'm talking about support, I'm talking about a level where it's pretty much like a floor. So it's bouncing off like a floor and it's trying to bounce back up. So I kind of see some support right here. And as we see right here, we see that Bitcoin is kind of like jumping off this level right here for now. But this last week, this last couple of days, you know, it's been in a downtrend. It's been a big push down. So I will not be surprised if it comes down to 75,000, if it comes back down to 79,000, right? So I'm looking at Bitcoin chart right now because pretty much all cryptocurrency, meme coins and stuff like that will follow Bitcoin eventually. So if it's just say XRP, which I'm gonna go over this chart too. So I'm kind of giving you guys some gems right now. And yeah, pretty much every cryptocurrency will kind of follow Bitcoin in a way. So you always have to pay attention to what Bitcoin is doing. So that's why I've been hitting up my students that, you know, been booking sessions with me. I've been like, hey, you know, these next couple days, make sure you pay attention to these ISO 222 coins, because you can buy super low, because you always want to buy low and sell high, right? So I'm doing this video because I really want our people, our community, the viewers here that's watching, you that's watching right now, to really take this serious, because this could really be life-changing. This could be really life-changing. Like the numbers, I'm not going to go over no numbers or nothing because I'm not a financial advisor, but it is a good investment to do. So let's go to the XRP chart real quick. So XRP USD. So with this chart, I'm right here on the daily chart. All I'm looking at right now, and what I've been looking at this for a long time. I'm like, yeah, XRP is probably going to come down and take this line down up. It's going to eat this line up. So when you're looking at lines like this, I call it like loose change, just to make sense of it, guys. It's like loose change that the market will come grab before it makes a bigger move, right? So I can see that it's coming down here to get this loose change. The last support, just say if we go to the weekly chart here, right, and we see that there's really like no support in a way, besides at this level, kind of in a way right here, this box here. The last support that I see, which I really don't think it'd probably drop down there, it'd be crazy if it do, back to 64 cents. Yeah, that would be something that would shock me. But what I see right now is it coming down to this level here. Let me break this down for you guys. I can see it coming down, taking out this level here and shooting back up. So doing something like this, going down, popping, going down, hitting that, and then exploding, right? So that's what I can see XRP doing. And like say at the beginning of the video, I was saying everything kind of follows Bitcoin. So right now Bitcoin is at a level where it's rejecting, but it could drop down a little bit lower because it's not a solid support where the price is right now. So I'm just telling you guys this because, you know, these are the things that I pay attention to. These are the things that I teach people, because like it's more simple once you really start to get it, once you really start to flow with it, once you really start to read the charts and understand the charts, you'll be good. You can be like, okay, I can see this happening, I can see this dumping, I can see it going back up, I can point out certain levels, certain price ranges, and then it's gonna react. So if you are interested in one-on-one sessions, I am available for one-on-one sessions, and I'm begging you. I'm not trying to beg you to sign up for anything. I'm just trying to beg you to be in the right position, right? This is me coming to you saying, like, please at least buy one of these, at least buy as many of them. When I'm talking about ISO 222 coins, There's many of them. It's not just XRP. There's XRP, there's XLM, there's XDC, there's Cardano, there's certain ones, right? Oh, and another one. I'm gonna give you guys another gem, right? So come to the chart here with me on Solana. Solana, I really don't like to use the Coinbase one. Let me see. So this is a chart here for Solana. Solana been dumping. It's been going down like crazy, right? So just analyzing this chart, right? I'm on a weekly chart right now. Weekly chart. So everything follows Bitcoin. Just remember that. So what I can see is something like this. It can probably come down to $100, right? But it is at a level right now where it is some good support. So we kind of got to pay attention real close to Solana, because it really can do something like this. It can just, play around right here at this level and then just start shooting up, like really. Because you got to look at the highest Solana been. The highest it was is at 295, right? 295. Now it's back to close. It's right now, as we're speaking, it's at 133, $133, right? So it can drop all the way. It just dropped all the way down to $133. So, but the highest it's been was 295. So I really can see. Say hi, G. Okay, be careful. Come on, get down. But I really can see this being a good investment for you. Like, really. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just your brother trying to help you be in the right positions. Because we always get questions about, how do you, control finances and stuff like that. What's some good things to do? What's some good things to invest in? And I'm just giving you some, some good points, some clues that really could help you. So, guys, I hope this video really helped you. If you are interested in one-on-one consultations, if you are interested in at least signing up for one of these platforms to buy some cryptocurrency, because I'm telling you, these next couple of weeks is going to be very, very important. I believe in March 10th, March 9th, March 10th, the whole, they're going to switch a system from SWIFT to ISO 222. So you really have to understand and know what is really going on. G, get down. You really have to know what is going on. So I'm just trying to give you the information that you need, because I really think that this could really help a lot of people. So if you guys enjoyed this information, leave a comment below. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And, say bye to G. Say bye. Yes. Check the links in the description. Email me if you have any questions, and I will be here for you to answer any questions that you have. So really, really take this video important. Take it very serious. That's all I gotta say. So, shalom, shalom.